Hi, I'm JD Gunnell, USU Extension gardening expert. Here are November's gardening tips. When you're preparing to winterize your lawn, cut it short. It should be about 1 to 1.5 inches high to minimize the chance of disease problems such as snow mold. Apply a quick-release nitrogen fertilizer in the late fall. After the last mowing, this will help ensure an early green-up next spring. If natural precipitation is sparse and the ground is not frozen, water evergreen trees and shrubs. This helps to make sure that they're well hydrated before heading into winter. Winterize or blow out irrigation systems to prevent damage from freezing water. On the same token, make sure to disconnect any garden hose from the house from any of the water spouts. Winterize lawnmowers, rototillers, and other gas-powered equipment by either draining the gas or adding a fuel stabilizer. Make sure to follow the manufacturer recommendation. Find more gardening tips like these at garden.usu.edu.